everyone, and welcome back to Tipsy Tuesdays. Cheers. Today's episode is all about FaceTime boudoir sessions. So if you haven't been following for a while and you're new here, my name is Brina. I'm a wedding and boudoir photographer in Edmonton, Alberta. I do lots of education, workshops, and retreats. So on my YouTube channel, you'll find tutorials, educational content, and just some fun. So thanks for being here. If you like what you see, please hit subscribe. Subscribing really helps me get cool sponsors like Skillshare. Skillshare is an online database of videos. There's thousands and thousands of videos on all different content. I'll drop the link below, and if you use that link, you get 2 months free. I actually just took a course last week on YouTube, which was fun. And then I took one on creative writing as well. So there's so much content on there and you get 2 months free. And after your 2 months free is done, it's less than $100 a year. So it works out to be really affordable for all that education. Okay. So today we are going over FaceTime photo shoots. So I'm going to be doing a boudoir shoot. I'll be taking you behind the scenes on how we do it. If you haven't heard of these before, during this time of social distancing, we aren't able to do one-on-one boudoir shoots. So we're just doing something a little fun to lift your spirits. Boudoir is so helpful for mental health, for making you feel good. Just even while you're at home, getting dressed up, feeling good, and getting some photos. So if you are like, what the heck, I need in on this, I'll drop the link to book below. And if you're already booked and you're like, I want to see the behind the scenes, I'm going to give Ashley a call here. She's a model here in Edmonton, so I'll link her stuff below as well, and you can give her a follow. And then I'll be posting how I'm coaching her through, be filming behind the scenes, and then showing the photos as well. I am using FaceTime, which allows you to take a picture with their camera, so you don't have to screenshot. When you screenshot, you do get like your face bubble in there. So if you're using something like Zoom or something for Androids, I do recommend using your computer, because then you can just screenshot the area that you want without all this stuff in the back. You can use your phone and crop it. The quality is just a lot less than FaceTime. So Apple products are the way to go for this, but if you have to use webcams or other things, that's fine. Get creative. The actual quality of it doesn't matter as much as that you and your client are having fun and just doing something different while you're stuck at home and feeling good while you do it. So the prep for these sessions are very minimal. Wear whatever you're comfortable in, bodysuit, naked in the sheets, bra and underwear. There's so many options, big sweater and like cute and cozy. And then I just tell my clients to have some items nearby that they can prop up their phone on. So like vases, people have been taping them to it, taping their phone, or just a stack of books. A chair that they can move around is really helpful. And then I just guide and direct them based on their space. So you don't need a gorgeous space. You don't need all of these plants to have an amazing boudoir session through FaceTime. Just need a window, a little bit of light, and that's all, just your sexy self. So I'm super excited to show you how we're gonna do this. So thank you for joining us. I will give her a call. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. So I'm just gonna introduce you. So I have Ashley here on the phone. I will link her Instagram so that you guys can give her a follow after this. So I always just start off by telling everyone to just show me your space. So if you just turn the camera around, show me what we're working with here. Oh, a cat. Very nice. Guest star.
And then there's also a bunch of like light and like a blank wall in here too if you want.
Okay, cool.
And
So,
then we have this.
ooh, I like that actually. That's really nice. So she's just showing me down her stairs. There's like a big window that we're gonna use. So yeah, let's do it there, because I like showing like how we don't need a lot of stuff to do a session. So I'll get you to just bring the things you're gonna like stack me up on and just pop them on the stairs. That'll be nice and easy.
I actually have a tripod.
Oh, okay. Well, that works too.
Brayden, can you come set up the tripod? Thank you. Where do you want it set
Hi,
up?
Brayden. I'm just pointing towards the stairs.
Okay.
I mean, sorry, towards the window.
Okay, sounds good.
Perfect. And then for this first one, I'll just have you have your back to the wall. Perfect, yeah. And then come away from the window a tiny bit. Perfect, yeah, just like that. And then just have like one hand up in your hair and then the other hand on your thigh. I really like that. Perfect. And then the pointed toe is great. And then just looking down towards your shoulder there and just hold that there while I take these. Perfect. Okay, and now I'm gonna get you to turn around. So we'll do a booty pose. And maybe go into the corner. Yeah, perfect. And then just, yeah, you got it. And point that toe, stick that booty out. Perfect. And then just have your hands up on the wall just like they are. That's great. And maybe lower that one a tiny bit. Perfect. Yeah, and then just hold that there. And then I want to try come away from the window a little bit more, like towards the stairs. Perfect. Yeah, there, that's good. And then just again, like looking down. That's perfect. Awesome. Okay, let's have, hi Kitty, guest star of today's shoot. Okay, can you turn the camera so it's lengthwise now, or landscape? I'm gonna have you like sitting across the stairs with your legs up against the wall.
This way or this way?
That way's good. Just move down a little bit further.
2 or 1?
One more. Yeah, there, that's perfect. And then just like scoot your bum away a little bit so you can like, and then point your toes up against the wall and then bend one leg a little bit more than the other.
Oh, this is a tight little space.
Maybe scoot your bum back a little bit. That might help.
Like
There.
here?
Yeah, there. Perfect. Yeah, there. And then just have your hands like across your chest maybe. Yeah, perfect. And then chin up nice and high. Beautiful.
I don't think I can.
Okay, just turn to the side a little bit then. Yeah.
I have to do this, but then I can't put my feet up.
Okay, go back to where you were. And then just turn your head towards the window a little bit. Actually, turn it back towards me a little bit. Perfect. There, that's good. And then have your other hand across your chest again. That one was good up. Your far, yeah, that one, perfect. And then
I can't see you.
I know, it's okay. And then have the hand closest to me across your chest.
Like this.
Yeah, perfect. And then just hold that there. Hi, cat.
Okay, go. Is she in the shot?
Nope, she's good. Perfect. Beautiful. So I'm just using this button here on the FaceTime to actually take a photo with her camera. So that's good. Okay, let's do another one. Let's have you like maybe coming up the stairs and like leaning into them. Yeah, and then move down a little bit further. And then go a little bit sideways across the stairs. Yeah, there we go, perfect. And then just, yeah, why don't you look up at the camera? That's perfect. Hold that there. And then look down and look back over your shoulder a little bit. Yeah, perfect, hold that there. Awesome. Okay, let's have you go back down to the main landing there, or like that, whatever you want to call that. And then let's have you go maybe, ooh, actually, yeah, let's have you go onto your knees, facing towards the, away from the stairs, but away from the window as well, if that makes sense. Other way, turn, yeah, there, perfect. Yes, that's great. And then back up into the corner a tiny bit. Perfect. And then just put your hands like in between your knees and elongate them. So more on your knees. Yeah, perfect. There you go. And then just looking over your shoulder. That's beautiful. Just hold that there. And then actually turn a little bit more.
This way?
So you're more like completely sideways to me. So yeah, the second way you said. Perfect. Yeah, like that. Just hold that there. Beautiful. And then just look down and maybe put your hand that's the furthest away from that phone just in your hair and kind of like push your hair into your face a little bit. I freaking love your bangs, by the way. Those are new. Yeah, perfect. Just like that. Beautiful. And then let's have you go back onto your hands and knees so you're like crawling across the landing.
Yeah, this facing this way or towards you?
I think that way should be fine, but let's see how it looks. Perfect, yeah, and then chin up and kind of like look back over your shoulder a little bit. This way, yeah, perfect. And then just shake your hair off your back a little bit. Perfect. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, now let's have you just sit with your back into the corner on your bum. So bring your legs out in front and then just kind of like bend your knees. Yeah, fold up over your legs a little bit, like perfect. Yeah, push your knees together a little bit more and then have that one hand just like up on your knee, like super soft and sensual. Yeah, perfect. And then just looking down. Perfect. And then look up at the camera. Amazing. So I'm doing posing as if I would any other boudoir session. I pose based on the client and the light and the space we're in. So as you'll be able to see in this video, I'm shooting down the stairs, nothing fancy. We don't need anything special to be able to do these, which is super fun. Okay, let's have you come up so you're leaning into the railing. Yeah, perfect. And then just kind of like looking, turn your butt towards me a little bit more. Yeah, perfect. And then just looking back and over your, yeah, perfect. Just like that. Awesome. Perfect. And then come sit on the stairs again, but your back is going to be against the other wall, opposite of last time. Yeah, and then just kind of like bring your legs up and kind of just like hug into yourself a little bit. And then look over your shoulder towards the window. A little bit less. Yeah, there, perfect. And then just chin up higher. Yeah, perfect. I'm just waiting for the cat, but you're good. Yeah, there. And then actually scooch a step down from me. Yeah, there, that's perfect. And then, yeah, perfect. Beautiful. Just hold that. That's great. Amazing. Okay, I'm just going to check these. So to check the photos, I just exit out of FaceTime and go into my camera, and then I can see all the photos here and make sure that they were good. So I'm just scrolling through them. We took lots. Yes, perfect. And then can it go taller at all or no?
Yeah, I think so. Actually, I don't think so. No.
Okay, that's fine. And then just, yeah, point it towards the blinds a tiny bit. So it's like half blinds, half wall. Yeah, can you angle it a little bit more towards the window? A little bit less. Yeah, there, perfect. Okay, and then I'm going to get you to go stand over there in the corner.
Yeah. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Okay, is that still right?
A little bit more wall. Yeah, there, that's perfect.
There.
So yeah, sometimes the phone falls over and that's okay. You just prop it back up. Perfect. So I'm actually going to get you to sit or go on your knees. Yeah, perfect. And then just kind of like hug your body. Yeah, perfect. And then turn your head towards the window. And can you scooch your butt back a tiny bit more so I'm just not cutting off your knees? Yeah. And then closer to the the corner again. And then turn your body again a little bit more neutral towards me.
Sideways?
No, so point, yeah, forward, yeah. Perfect. And then scooch in the corner a tiny bit more because I'm just losing you a little bit. There we go, perfect. And then just like hug into your body and then chin up towards the window. Yeah, beautiful. That's so good. Hold that there. Amazing. Okay, and then can you just keep the phone how it is, like upright, but point it up the stairs so I can get some of you sitting on the stairs? Yeah. So as you can see, you can get so much variety with just moving the phone around. The biggest thing when you're doing FaceTime sessions is if you do them all from the exact same spot, it just looks like you took them at a stationary spot. But if you're moving the phone around, changing from landscape to portrait, you actually get more of like a true session, which is fun. Okay, cool. And then lean into your knees a little bit. Yeah, and then just look down over your shoulder. Perfect. Hold that there. And point your toes for me. Actually, can you go maybe up a step so I can see your feet? And then you'll have to lean more forward because we're pretty close now. Actually, no, go back down. It's better to cut off your feet than your head.
I can move the camera if you want.
Can it go further away?
I think I could get it further away, yeah. I just have to readjust it.
Actually, you know what? Turn it a little bit more into the wall so it's like half stair, half wall. Yeah, let's try that. That gives me a little bit more length.
Yeah?
Yeah, perfect. And then bring that, your feet up to the next step. Yeah, and then kind of like lean into the wall like you've had a hard day. Yeah. And then maybe extend the leg closest. Yeah, a little bit. Perfect. Yeah, there. And then just looking right up at me is perfect. And then that hand, just put it right on your thigh there. The one that's on the stairs. Yeah, perfect. Beautiful, hold that there. And then just looking down again over that. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Okay, awesome. So I think that's good. So the sessions that I do are about 15-30 minutes depending on which one you get, and you get 3 or 6 edited photos. So as you can see, we did quite a bit of variety, so I can go through and pick the best ones. So thank you, Ashley.
Thank you so much.
That was perfect. Yeah, I hope you have a good day.
Well, thank you so much.
Now you're all dolled up and ready for your next one.
Yeah, us too.
Yeah. Okay,
So
bye. I'll put some of the edited photos in here as well so that you can see the behind the scenes to the photos. I hope that clears things up for you a little bit. They're super fun, a really good way to just like feel good while you're at home. Yeah, so if you like what you see, subscribe to our channel. That would mean the world to us. Even if you don't really care to get the notifications, just subscribe because it really, really helps us, and that's amazing. So thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Tipsy Tuesdays. Feel free to drop in the comments if you have any questions or there's things you want to see on Tipsy Tuesdays. I love taking suggestions, so please let us know. Cheers.